Yeah, first of all, is this the right time to talk to you?
Yeah, you can talk.
Okay. Can you please quickly tell me about yourself? What is your roles and responsibilities in your current project?
Actually, currently I'm not working.
Currently you are not working. Okay. When
Yeah.
was your last working day?
July 2016.
2016. So
Yes.
17, 18 you did not work.
Yes.
May I know the reason?
I got pregnant.
Okay.
There was no one to look after my infant.
Yeah, okay.
Just now I applied a dependent visa for my in-laws and they came to look after my child.
Okay, fine. So are you in Malaysia now?
Yes. Independent visa and in Malaysia.
Okay, fine. Can you please explain me about your earlier roles and responsibilities, what you have done in your previous companies and previous projects? I could see you have worked for CTS and before that some bank. Yeah. Yes. Okay, can you please explain me about those projects? Can you please explain me about only this CTS project, what you have done there?
Yeah, in CTS I have worked as an associate for the client Hartford. In this there was a migration.
Okay.
Like upgradation of forms and reports from 6i to 10G and then Citrix upgradation from 2003 to 2005.
Okay.
In this the forms and attached reports are upgraded. So any not running forms and reports will be rerun, and if there is any needed, the old packages are cleared with the new packages and we ran and check the performance of that.
Okay.
More or less like a unit testing. Only 8 months I worked there.
Only 8 months you worked in CTS?
Yes.
Okay. After that, you came to Malaysia and started working here, right?
Yes, in Athens I worked as a senior software engineer.
Okay, what is your total years of experience? 6.5, is it?
Yes.
Okay. And what was your responsibility here in Malaysia?
It was like taking care of a whole one module completely, the new business and alteration. Whatever the changes come, I have to talk with the client and used to prepare a document, requirement analysis document.
Okay.
And it has to be sent to the client.
Okay.
And then if it is okay, then we will start developing on that.
Okay.
And if any enhancements or change request comes, I will take care of it. If any error comes, I will first go through it, and what was the error, I will just give a suggestion to my teammates and ask them to do the patchwork.
Okay, basically you are a developer or data analyst or business analyst?
A developer.
Developer, because you mentioned like you prepare the documents, right? So usually a data analyst to do that.
This is actually a low-level document.
Okay.
The requirement analysis means if a change request comes, we will do that.
Okay.
Because first initial production one, the business analyst will take care of it.
Okay. Have you ever worked for data mapping documents? Do you have any experience in working on mapping documents? Source to target mapping? No. Okay.
Yes.
And how good you are in writing SQL script?
Around 8.5 or 9 out of 10.
So that means you are very strong in writing SQL queries.
Yes.
Okay. And then data migration experience will be added as an advantage for you here. Okay. This is also a data migration project. But the thing is, you should be very strong in SQL. Can you explain me about joins quickly?
Join?
Yeah, what are the joins are there, and explain me with examples each and every join.
Okay. First one is the inner join. And it's usually like mapping a keys, like primary and foreign key, whatever the common tables they will map, and then give the results. And the next one is the left out, the common rows will be given in that. The next one is the left outer and the right outer join.
Okay.
In that, any one of the table data is taken full, mapping with the other. It's moreover like a union set like that. And then next one is the self join. It's a join with the same table.
Okay. Joining the same table in a sense. Can you explain a bit more about it?
Yeah, sure. It's like you're having a data with let me explain with a simple employee table.
Okay.
It's a process what are we want to get the name of the manager of each employee name. We will map with the manager ID with the employee number and get the name of the manager like that. The same, based on the same table, we will get that data.
Okay. What are the differences between this inner join and outer join?
Inner join is only the common number of rows will return.
Okay.
But in the outer join, it's not like that. It will take full rows in one column and the common tables of the other one.
Okay. And can you tell me what are the aggregate functions that we have?
Yes, sure. Rank, rank, row count, list.
Aggregate functions, not analytical functions. Aggregate functions.
Okay. Minimum, max.
Okay.
Average.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yes, okay, good job. Coming to the analytical functions, can you explain me what is the rank and dense rank? What is the difference between these two?
Yeah, sure. A rank is like if let me see, if two rows having the same column, it will give the same rank as 1, and the next ranking will be like two rows will having a share the same number, right? So it will skip the next number and it will go as 3. Okay. Instead of 2, it will go to 3. In dense rank, it won't be like that. The same values share the first position and the immediate values will be shared by the second one. Okay, you mean to say like it will leave the whole gap. Three values, same values means it will rank as 1, 1, 1 and the immediate next column will not be shared number as 4 but it will return as 2 only. In rank it will return as 4. Okay, fine, good. Okay. Do you have any questions? It's not like a question. Like any information. I'm very eager to learn in the new environment. Okay. I'm a very good learner. I learn the things very quickly. So if an opportunity is given, I will work hard. Okay, that's good. That's really good. And then I just now went through this HP one. It's like a big data only. Correct. How did you know about that? It is a big data. How you came to know about it? In Google, I verified the Vector database about that. It's like a columnar database. Yes. See, yes, as you are aware of it, it is a big data project. Here you have a lot of scope to learn new things. So you can learn many things here. It's not something like there is no scope to learn new things. There is a lot of scope to learn new things. So Vertica is, same like how we have other databases. So it's not that tough to learn it. It is easy. So if you know the SQL, that is enough. So the same SQL queries are going to write in Vertica database as well. How you write in Oracle database, in the same way you write here, that's all. So only few syntax changes, that's it. So it is common wherever you go. If you want to work with MySQL or MS SQL server, when you change the database, automatically the syntax of the SQL will change, right? So in the same way. So good that you came to know this is a big data project and you are going through the vertical concepts. That's good. Okay.